The Fulvous-breasted woodpecker is a medium-sized woodpecker. This woodpecker species is distributed in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Ghana. They normally occur in altitudes from 0 to 2,800 meters. The diet of this Fulvous-breasted woodpecker consists mainly of insects, fruits and berries. The breeding season of this Fulvous-breasted woodpecker is from January to May in most of their ranges. The nesting sites of these woodpecker species are hollows in tree trunks and branches excavated by the breeding pair.